Today we're going to be installing these tow hooks on a 2023 Toyota Tundra SR5. So for tools, I used a ratchet wrench, a 17mm socket, and this other wrench with an adapter on it to get some extra torque. This flathead screwdriver I used to get the hooks open on the sway bar receiver so that I could fit the tow hooks in. So we're going to put the active aero front spoiler into the service position by turning the vehicle off and then raising and holding the wiper stalk in the upward position for about 2 seconds. Now I'm going to set up my lights and let's see what we're working with. Okay, so we've got the right sway bar bracket that we'll be removing. We've got a 17mm bolt here and a 17mm bolt there. We're basically just going to take this and replace it using those two bolts. Now I'm going to take my screwdriver, I'm going to bend these clips out. Get it to the side, there we go, okay. So that comes off there. So I'm going to put, let's see if you can see this. I'm going to put the red piece under that clip there. And then get the bolt in to hold it into place. All right, that one's good. Okay, now we're going to put our left tow hook in. And there you have it. 2 tow hooks ready to go.